Hey guys, thank you so much for your hard work and contributions towards the Make-A-Wish cause.
You're helping transform lives one wish at a time.
Hey PHS students and staff, you guys are so awesome. We raised a total of $1,071.36.
A big congratulations to Favela's band. They raised $197.29. Our honorable mention is Mrs. O'Neill's class with $105.42. Thank you, PHS.
You know what day it is?
April 1st. And you know what that means?
It's April Fool's.
Keep grabbing two at a time. Yeah.
Not on my watch. I'll take them, maybe. Pile them up there, we'll put them in there.
Did she say it was here?
Look at that! That's awesome!
Happy April Fool's.
Oh, it's April 1st! That was yesterday! It's been a week.
You thought what happened?
What is today? Yeah, today's like the 20-something.
I don't know.
I'm out. I'm going home.
Noah,
Did you do that?
No, I haven't.
I don't know. I think one of my post-it notes just went poof like this, Noah.
I'm about to pick the raffle ticket winner, so let's get started. For Elsie's parking spot, it's... I don't know. Jackson Brayton! Yeah! You get Elsie's parking spot for the rest of the year. All right, and now for my parking spot, which I'm very reluctantly giving away. Let's see. Who is the winner? Gabby Patterson! You guys are awesome. Thank you so much for participating. I already said that. Have a great day, Powell High School. And now the moment you've all been waiting for, the Wild West Champion!
Showdown in the gym.
Take your marks, sit down, go!
Doesn't matter if it's basketball, arm wrestling, or scooter racing. I'm the best in the West. Thanks, PHS, for all your support.
Just a reminder that we're collecting all car change today and during both lunch periods.
Get rid of your pesky pennies for a great cause.
Thanks again for all your donations.
And have a great day, PHS!